Hey everyone, I'm Ross, your mattress expert from RealMattressReviews.com. Today I'm excited to open up and give you guys my first impression of the brand new Puffy Lux. So Puffy's been around for a little over a year. Their original mattress, the Puffy, is a 10-inch foam mattress. That really took off. They even appeared on the Ellen Show. So what they've done here is they've stepped it up into a 12-inch thick mattress, which I really like. I'm not the hugest fan of all the 10-inch foam mattresses, so I was really happy to see them come out with a step up from the original. The original is still a good mattress. You can also see the review of that. I did a full comprehensive review you can find down in the description. But what we'll do today is we'll get this opened up. I'll push on the foams and lay on the mattress for the first time, and we'll just talk about my first impression, and I'll give you guys an idea of how the mattress feels right out of the box. So a little bit before we get started, they offer a 101 night sleep trial, a lifetime warranty, which is fantastic, and they use all CERA pure foams, so you're not going to have to worry about any kind of toxic foams or anything like that. Also, they are made in the USA, which is obviously a good thing. So what we'll do next is I'll go ahead and get it popped open, and then what we'll do is talk a little bit about how it's constructed before I lay on the mattress and give you guys my first impression. Alright guys, we've got it all opened up. It still has a little bit of expanding to do, but to finish up this first impression video, I'm going to go ahead. It's going to feel pretty much normal. As you can see, a little more expanding to do here on the foot and the head. But for the most part, it's going to feel pretty normal out of the box. You can expect most of these online mattresses to feel a little bit softer right out of the box, but once they're open for even 5 hours or to a day or so, they should feel how they're supposed to after they're given a little bit of time to breathe and fully expand. So I haven't pushed on the foams or laid on the mattress yet at all, so what I'll do first here is push on the foam. So they use a proprietary memory foam. On the top layer is a memory foam that's a little bit airier, a little bit softer than a really dense, hard memory foam. So you feel a little more like you're floating on the mattress versus sinking into it like some memory foams can. So this has 3 inches of their cloud-like memory foam on the top. Then they have a 2-inch transition layer, followed up by a 7-inch foam core. So one thing that you're going to notice on this mattress versus the 10 is you're not really going to be able to bottom it out. Some of the 10-inch foam mattresses, if you plop down on them, you might hit the box spring or your frame. You're not going to experience that on a 12-inch or more mattress. So I'll go ahead and lay down on it. So immediately when you lay down, you kind of conform into the mattress. Like I mentioned, that top memory foam layer that they use, it's very supportive, but at the same time, it has really good pressure relief. So I sink in, I can feel good support here in my lumbar. But it's still relatively easy to adjust positions too, where a lot of times with memory foam you'll get stuck or feel like you're more stuck than you feel on this. You have a little bit more memory foam feel paired with a little airier foam, I think. So you just kind of float a little bit more, and it's a little faster responding too, so than you can find with some memory foam. So you're not going to have a hard time adjusting. But right away, I mean, it really feels great. I'm excited to sleep on it. The firmness, I think, is probably, it's going to depend upon your weight. I'm about 200 pounds. I would say this is about a 5.5. So it is medium, it's a softer medium, but like I said, right out of the box, they usually are a little bit softer. So I think this is going to perform really nicely for side sleepers. And once it firms up after it's open for a day or so, I think it's going to work really good for combination sleepers. Those of you that are on your side, back, and stomach. If you're considering the original Puffy and you're maybe 300 pounds or more, I think this is going to be a much better option for you. Or if you just want a little more substantial mattress, and you're not going to have to worry about bottoming out or anything like that. The overall feel is really nice. I like the memory foam feel, but the faster responding memory foam like you find here versus the super slow responding memory foam beds. So you still get that really good pressure relief, but a little bit easier to move on and a little less of a stuck feeling like you can get with some memory foam. So it's got a removable cover as well. Nice soft cover. It's tight so it snaps right back into place. So overall, you know, the original Puffy performed really well for side sleeping. I'm expecting this to actually probably be even better, and it should work really good for combination sleeping. But what happens next is we'll start our full sleep trial on this mattress. We'll perform a few tests for you guys during that review video when it comes out, and we'll have a lot of great information to share with you. But for the purpose of this video, if you're looking for memory foam, you're looking for a more substantial mattress than 10 inches thick, and you kind of like that more of an airy memory foam where you're not feeling quite as stuck, and you're maybe seeking a medium to medium soft feel, this could be a good fit for you. But stay tuned for that full review. Down in the description, if you're ready to give this mattress a try right now, head over to realmattressreviews.com, check out the rest of the review, and you can grab any available coupon that's available for the Puffy or the Puffy Lux. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great day.